What's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to share with you guys my top 5 favorite healthy skin hacks. A lot of people are kind enough to compliment me on my skin, so I kind of wanted to share with you some of the things I do. So if you guys are interested in learning about some little tips to help you out in the skin area, then keep on watching. The beauty about what I'm about to show you is that it's super simple, cheap, natural, and half of this stuff you probably have laying around your house. It's gonna be short and sweet and to the point, so without further ado, let's do this. So the first thing I'm gonna show you, and I'm sure all of y'all know the benefits of, coconut oil, all right? I use coconut oil for almost every single thing in life, along with putting coconut oil in your hair, swishing around in your mouth to make your teeth whiter, moisturizing your skin with it. The thing that I love to use coconut oil for is priming my face. So it's not only moisturizing your face, but it's priming your skin before you put the makeup on it. A lot of people are like, oh my God, isn't it too oily? You just put a little dab in your hand and rub it around on your face, and it is a perfect makeup primer. It will give that like dewy look that I just love. I highly recommend this. Coconut oil's my best friend. So along with hydration, a lot of people say that my skin is super soft when they, hug me or touch me or whatever. My most prized possession on earth that I literally can't go a day without would be my freaking baby oil. And I know what you're thinking, you're like, what? But guess what, guys? I've been using this forever, and my mom got me into it. And what you do is after you shower, before you even dry off, you just douse yourself with this baby oil all up on your body and your skin, except your face. I've never done my face because I use coconut oil for that. And then you just towel dry. You towel dry the baby oil off. It ain't gonna stain nothing. It ain't gonna, if anything, it just makes your towel smell really good. It literally keeps your skin feeling like a freaking baby's bottom. So yeah, it's super soft. You're not like, as long as you dry yourself off, you're not gonna be oily or anything. I do not shower without this. I will not go a day without it, because the second I go without it is the day that I feel dry and disgusting. Okay, now for my third beauty hack. I love this because I found this out last year when I had terrible acne up on this face, and I needed to find a way without going to a dermatologist to just help me out. All you got to do is buy yourself a lemon. I cut mine into quarters, and all you do is just rub it on your face, okay? It not only will brighten your skin, it's a natural skin brightener, but if you have trouble with acne, this will take care of it. It will burn that acne off your face. But I like the burn because that's how I know it's working. The one thing I will point out though, when using this lemon on your face, do not oversaturate your forehead because it's gonna run down into your eyeballs. And believe in me when I tell you I've been there and I've done that, and it hurts, and I don't want that to happen to you, and you be like, damn it, Ash, I shouldn't have frickin' listened to you. Now I'm in pain and I got lemon in my eyeballs. So the next hack number 4, we are talking about those days when you just, I don't know about you, but sometimes I just wake up and my eyes are super puffy. My allergies are they're just coming at me full force. And I'm like, what up? Like, I got this puffy eyeball action going on. What you wanna do is something so simple. So what you're just gonna do is you're gonna grab a couple bags of green tea and just put it in hot water like you normally would making tea. Drink the green tea, whatever you want to do, but take these bags and you just place them on your eyes. The green tea is super good for your skin, and the caffeine in the green tea will shrink those blood vessels that are puffing up your eyes. I've done this, it feels good, it's super soothing. I recommend it to anybody. It's just a natural, healthy way to try and like reduce that crazy area around your eyes. All right guys, and the very last hack I want to show you is that I make my very own lip scrub, and it's literally only 3 ingredients and it's awesome. Just sugar, lemon, and olive oil. You're not only exfoliating your lips with the sugar, but you're also moisturizing with the olive oil, and the lemon just makes everything taste so delicious. It tastes like you got lemonade on your lips, and I like that. Okay guys, you got your little sugar here. You're just gonna add a little bit of olive oil, a little bit of lemon. Mix it on up. In whatever consistency you want, you could add more sugar or whatever. Oh yeah, baby. That tastes real freaking good. And voila, I'm exfoliating my lip. So that's it, you guys. Those are my 5 hacks. I hope you guys enjoyed it or found it a little interesting. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Oh my God, look at it. Who doesn't love lemon?